All right. So somebody asked me a question about, well, what do you feed your bees? How do you feed your bees? And one of the things that you feed quite often to your bees is sugar water. And to do that, you basically, this is just going to be a 50-50 mix, but 25 pounds of pure sugar. And then I've got, I've already measured this out, and just basically half a 5-gallon bucket of water. I just use hot water and dump the bag of sugar in. You can see I'm a little bit shy on the water, but once I got the hot water in there and the sugar, it's just a matter of stirring it up and making sure that the sugar and the water are blended. Then what I do in addition to the sugar and the water is I use a product called Honeybee Healthy Super Plus. It's got essential oils and really kind of helps your bees. So I use about a half a cup of the Honeybee Healthy Super Plus and put that in there, and it's got a real nice smell to it. And usually about the time you break out the Honeybee Healthy, the honeybees start showing up because they really like the smell too. But I'll just mix it around, try and get it all out of the pitcher. As you can see, I've used this pitcher time and time again for this same thing. So I'll get all the Honeybee Healthy out of the pitcher, and then I stir it, and I keep a spoon in the bucket as I'm actually feeding it out, and I'll just periodically stir it, to make sure that the sugar hasn't all settled on the bottom. And I feed it out in 2 different types of feeders. I use top feeders, which I can show you in another video. I use either top feeders, or I have plastic like 1-gallon jug feeders that go in the top of the hive. So that's basically it. Sugar, water, and Honeybee Healthy makes for some happy bees.